Okay guys, assalamu alaikum. I am back with the part 2 of production planning exercise. In part 1 we have done step number 1 to 10. Now here we are going to start from step number 11, that is issuing goods to production order. So let's start from where we are going. Warehouse employee. Under the production planning process we will go to warehouse employee, and here ports goods movement. So let me connect it. Okay. Production planning and execution, and warehouse employee, ports goods movement. Okay, so here what we do, we have to make sure that is goods issue and order, goods issue and order. Okay, then the document date as well as the posting date should be ready, set to the current date. So this is current date, means today's date. The movement type should be set to 6.1. Movement type, where is that one? Movement type. Okay, I think that is later on. Now here they are saying you enter your production order number. So production order number was the first number that we generated, so we will put here 1000020. That is the number I have generated, and here the movement type 261. Right, let me see here. Yes, not here, let me see, maybe here, not here. Go a little bit right, this one. Yes, GI for order 261. Now after entering this data, what is required? I guess after entering this data, what you do, you press enter. So you can see all the material from your order is now copied. Now you can see flag each item with OK, all of them. You have to go a little bit down also, so that no one of the item will be left. Okay, then click on post. So here another number will be generated. So location is missing. Storage location, let me see what location we have to enter. Okay, storage location we have to put RM00 in all of them. RM00, 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 RM00. So hopefully now there is no error. Click on post. Few more. Okay, let's see. What are those? Here RM00, RM00, RM00. Let's click on post now. Material TRWA1999DL00 does not exist. Okay, so where is that one? Okay, okay. Maybe in the previous step we missed something, that actually this material is not able to, we are not able to get this material here. So what should we do now? Already we have had all of them and you can see all are green. Let me try with this one if we can able to delete this one. I'm just trying to finish this step, that's why I am trying to remove this one. Okay, so that is removed. By the way, you are not supposed to do this thing, but just to complete this step, what I have done, I have removed that line, and now I'm going to try to post. So you can see the number is generated. So this is what you can call it a makeshift work I have done, but you are not supposed to do that. I think there was some mistake in the previous step, that's why it was not able to pick that last material. So let me note down this number. Okay, so we are done with this step. Now let's go back and see what next we have to do. Review again. In review, we used to just check, and we do not have anything to do further here. So if we go to the next step, that is step number 13, confirm production completion. So where we have to go? We have to go to shop floor worker. Here, and here they said enter production order confirmation. So here what we do, production order number, the first number you generated in this exercise, one 000020, and then they said press enter. Okay, alternatively, okay, you can, if you don't know, you can search, check if final confirmation in clear option reserve is already checked in the confirmation type section. Final confirmation, okay, it's already there. Now what next we have to do? In the actual data tab, the quantity of bicycle that you should produce for this order should already be entered in the yield quantity field. Change the start execution to 1 hour earlier than the preset time. So see, this is the same quantity that we have done in our production order. Now what they are saying, you have to change the time. Change the start execution to 1 hour earlier. Start execution 1 hour earlier. Like for example, make it, instead of 3:38, make it 2:38. Okay. Now they say that click on save. A confirmation order, that's it. This message you will receive. Now review production order status. Again, this is a review. So in review, normally you can just go and check what things are happening. The last step in which we are going to generate some number, receive goods from production order. So we will go to good receipt clerk app here, and we will click on post good receipt for production order, this one. Now here the production order, they are asking, put your production number. Once you put that number, it comes like this. Okay, Now what next? See, deluxe touring bike, this, that. Storage location, you have to put FG00. Okay. Then you will click on post. Another number will be generated that you have to note down. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. So this is how we generate this one. Now step number 16, let's go through quickly because it is related to little bit something like cost. So in this one again they are just asking you, if you go through this step, I will recommend you to do that. I'm not going to do it because in this one you are not going to generate anything new. The step number 16 and 17. In fact, in step number 16 they are reviewing. Step number 17, let's do it because in that one they are saying do all the settlements. So how we are going to do the settlement? We will go to production planning execution space, use the app run actual settlement. Let's type in search here, run actual settlement order single. Okay, so here is our number, production order number, that comes automatically, and here settlement period, fiscal year. So what we have to enter, current month has a period, so this is month number 7 and this is 2024 current year. Make sure that test run is checked. Test run is checked. Then we'll click on execute. So you can see after execution this thing has been generated. Processing completed with no errors. Then you can click on this icon to open detail list. See, all the details are there. From the menu bar, choose menu environment report. Menu environment report. So click on actual, plan and variance, then green tick. So here is the report. Then go back one step, say yes, then press 2 times this arrow. deselect test run, then execute. So processing completed with no errors. Open the report actual plan variance again by clicking on this one. Okay, and then use the menu bar for menu environment and report. This one. Okay, so this type of report you will get it, and that's it. So this is the end of our exercise, that is production planning and execution. So hopefully it is helpful for you, and if you follow all these steps, definitely you will not face any error. One thing I can tell you, you can perform this exercise only one time. So therefore you have to make sure that you are able to do it correctly, because even when you will do this exercise in the lab, I cannot do it with you because I have already done it with my data. I can do it with you if I use another data. So that is the limitation with this exercise, but don't worry, you haven't done this before, so you can do it one time. Thank you so much. I will inshallah come with new videos. Goodbye.